What happens when Santa feels the holiday pressure, when the clock is ticking and he needs help to make Christmas magic happen? Santa knows it takes a critical team. So, he turns to the precision manufacturing experts to make more Santas, ensuring the success of Christmas. The little Santas emerged with exceptional quality in every detail. With ultimate repeatable precision, more Santas were machined day and night. Until Santa returned to meet his new little helpers, proud of a job well done. Santa knew with the help of the little Santas he could create Christmas magic again this year.